Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today I want to talk to you about my favorite sale at Harbor Freight. It's the 30% off anything under $10. Now how does this work? Well, it starts today, Friday, December 9th, and it goes through Sunday, December 11th. How it works is any item in the store under $10 is 30% off. That's the sale. Now if you're a Inside Trap Club member, the sale changes to any item in the store under $20 you can get at 30% off. There's a limit of 5 items per day. You can get 5 items each day, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There's limitations to, I think, 1 online. This is really more of an in-store type sale, not really the greatest online sale. But it's my favorite. It's my favorite sale at Harbor Freight because there's all kinds of things at Harbor Freight. I usually talk about tools that I recommend getting. I've talked about my clamps forever. I've talked about things like these hammers up here. But today I'm going to talk about things that the homeowner could need. You know, anybody who's a homeowner, especially a new homeowner who has little things that you have to fix around the house, you need little parts and pieces, hardware parts all the time. You have to run to the hardware store, run to the Home Depot, run to Lowe's, run to Ace Hardware, wherever you have to go to get a screw, a nail, a nut, a bolt. Every time you do that, it takes, what, a half hour, 45 minutes to go. You're burning some gas. Let me tell you, Harbor Freight has over 50 little kits like this at their store, and they're all very inexpensive. And to be very honest with you, they can save you bacon. I picked up 5 of them today, and literally, if I only use each one of these kits once, they will pay for themselves. And I got them all 30% off. What am I talking about? Well, I got this kit here. There's only 50 T-screws in here, but it only cost $1.99. Knock 60 cents off of that. It only cost me $1.40. One of my gutters is falling off the house right now. The strap broke. I got a new strap, but the strap didn't come with hardware. This little kit of stainless steel sheet metal screws will help me put that strap back on. My house has aluminum siding, so sheet metal screws, it'll work for me. You may not need a pack of 52 sheet metal screws, but at this price, if I went to the Home Depot and got a little blister pack of, what, 8 they give you in that little plastic, package on the cardboard for $1.50, this was $1.50, and now I have another 50 to go after I hang this. Do you hang pictures in your house? Every homeowner hangs pictures in the house. They have a picture and mirror hanging assortment. There's 200 pieces in here. Just about everything you could need. Hooks, screws, anchors, the little hooks, the wire, everything you could use to hang a picture frame is in this kit. It costs $3.79. Then you can knock 30% off of that, so it's under $3. You hang one picture for under $3. This kit's paid for itself. You got enough stuff in here to hang 20 pictures, so you're good to go there. Here's another wood screw and anchor assortment. All kinds of sizes of plastic anchors and the screws to go with them. You know, where you want to hang things don't always end up on a stud, do they? No, they don't. Here's a whole bunch, 200 pieces in here of plastic anchors and the screws to go with them. So 100 screws and 100 plastic anchors. $4.49. Knock $1.50 off of that and you're down to $3 for this kit. Very good deal. This is one that I got that may not be for the homeowner, but for me it works. This is a 500-piece kit of brass screws. Now, as a woodworker, I use a lot of brass hinges and hardware pieces. Brass screws break all the time, so this was a great buy for me to have extra brass screws of every size when I break one. So, a great deal for me there. Homeowners may not need that one just as much, but this one I think you all need. This is a 460-piece kit of nuts, washers, bolts. Everybody needs a spare nut and bolt occasionally. I like this one so much, I have 2 of them. Anytime you need a nut or a bolt to fix something on your lawnmower, anything in the house that needs a nut or a bolt, you're like, oh my God. Now I know you all have that coffee can with a couple of spare parts in it, but now you have these plastic little containers. Guys, put these in the cupboard or the cabinet in your garage and just put them there. You know, these 5 boxes cost me, after the 30% discount, $15 or about $3 a piece. That's like an insurance policy. A homeowner could use these. You don't have to go to the hardware store and get it every time you're doing a project. You're in the middle of a project, something breaks, you just go out to the garage, you grab the plastic pack, you take the part you need, you finish your project, you're back to living your life. It's a great idea. I love this sale, guys. The Harbor Freight 30% off sale is my favorite sale. And of course, if you're not going to get any of these hardware pieces, you know I love the Harbor Freight clamps. For you woodworkers out there, all of the Harbor Freight clamps are also on sale for under 10 bucks. So you can get these at 30% off. Go to the Harbor Freight, get yourself some deals. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.